In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Page ID in WordPress. If you've ever needed to make changes or customize your WordPress posts and pages at a deeper level, knowing the Post ID or Page ID can be incredibly useful. These unique identifiers help you pinpoint specific content within your site, allowing you to manage it more efficiently. Whether you're troubleshooting a plugin setting, applying custom code, or working with themes, this quick tutorial will walk you step by step through the process. If you're new to WordPress or you haven't set up your own site yet, you can find a link in the description to get started. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to your WordPress site. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen there. You'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll be presented with several ways to log in. For this tutorial, I recommend choosing the Continue with Google option. Using this method is not only efficient, but also leverages your existing Google account for authentication, saving you time and effort. Simply select the Google account you want to use and log in to access your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your site, where you can manage posts, pages, plugins, and more. From here, let's start by finding the Post ID. To locate the Post ID, navigate to the Posts section in the dashboard menu and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the posts you've created on your site. Now find the specific post you want to work with. Once you identify it, either hover over the post title or click on the Edit button to open it. Here's the key part. Look at the URL in your browser's address bar. You'll notice that the URL contains a series of numbers. The number that appears immediately before the word post is the unique post ID for that content. Go ahead and copy this number, as it's what you'll need whenever you're asked for the post ID. This simple method ensures you can easily retrieve it whenever necessary. Now let's move on to finding the Page ID. The process is very similar, but instead of posts, we'll be working with pages. In your WordPress dashboard, locate the Pages section and click on it. This will show you a list of all the pages on your site. Once again, identify the specific page you want to manage or retrieve the ID for. Hover over the page title or click on the Edit button to open it. Just like before, check the URL in your browser's address bar. This time, the number you're looking for appears immediately before the word page. That's your unique Page ID. Copy it and you're good to go. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily find the Post ID or Page ID for any content on your WordPress site. This information can be a game changer when working with plugins, themes, or customizations that require specific content targeting. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.